system that PVH has designed is projected to increase the energy output of solar panels by close to 30%, depending on the several design inputs and the geography of the solar plant. This is done by using specialized algorithms, using AI, machine learning, IoT, and able to sense even shadowing areas, able to sense how much radiation is reaching the solar panels. In days where it is cloudy, it uses an algorithm which is called irradiation optimization, which ensures the tracking angle is optimized to the correct and the most specific angle to increase the generation of the solar plant. The R&D of the product has been done keeping wind resilience as the foundation and as the cornerstone, because it's something that proves as a determining factor when it comes to the longevity of the tracking system, because the solar plant needs to survive for 25 years. And we're seeing, because of climate change, there are a lot of inclement weather events where the direction of the wind speed changes. There are a lot of erratic wind events, hailstorms, very high ramp rate in wind. So we've taken all of these factors and we've designed the tracking system with the technology of total stow. Basically what that means is the tracking system is able to take the highest design wind speed from any direction. That means it can take pressure and suction, which makes it a differentiator, the only tracking system to be able to take both pressure and suction, and thus providing fastest time to stow and the fastest time to come to the safest position, making sure that the tracking system is safe during the entire operations while also maximizing the generation of the plant. This is something that we do on the wind speed. We also have mechanical locks at each and every post that ensure any overturning. We have dampers on every single tracking system on both the wings, with 2 dampers on each tracking system, and springs. This also ensures that the tracking system has higher aeroelastic stability and has a higher accuracy in terms of tracking from the center post, because as the tracker is going longer, we're seeing that it can have more tolerance towards the ends of the tracking system. So having components like these integrated into the system ensures that the tracking system is able to track efficiently, accurately, and provide the best generation for the plant. There are 2 dynamics that come into play. One is the land that you have, right? The capacity you need to reach, and the wind speed. So typically where you have higher wind speeds over 60 meters per second, tracking systems can be difficult to engineer because the wind speeds are very high, so the tracking system costs can be more expensive. And the other part is how easy it is to assemble and construct the site with trackers. If the site is smaller, if the capacity that needs to be fit is higher, sometimes we will even go for fixed tilt solutions because of the space constraints in the entire solar farm. So depending on your site topology, topography, the wind speed, we can suggest to you if a fixed tilt is the better option or the tracking system. But in all cases, mostly the tracking system is always the better choice to improve the plant generation.